Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a comparison between ClickUp and Asana, two popular platforms for project management in 2024. First things first, click the link in the description box to access both platforms. So let's jump right in. Let's start by looking at ClickUp. ClickUp offers a comprehensive suite of features tailored to diverse organizational needs. It stands out for its AI-powered productivity, viewing work options in different slides and customization options, allowing users to adapt the platform through time tracking, sprints, and custom fields. You can easily integrate the tools you already use or replace them, search files through your app or local drive, organize your work and events. Additionally, ClickUp offers a mobile app, providing users with the flexibility to manage projects on the go. In terms of pricing, ClickUp offers 4 monthly plans. First, the free plan offers 100 MB storage, unlimited tasks, and more. Second, unlimited plan for $7 is best for small teams, offers free plan features with storage, integration, and more. Third, business for $12 is best for mid-size. Teams offers everything in unlimited with Google SSO, custom exporting, and more. Last, enterprise plan for custom price is best for large teams, offers everything in business and more advanced features. On the other hand, Asana focuses on intuitive task management and team collaboration. It emphasizes simplicity and ease of use, making it accessible to different departments like marketing, operations, IT, product, and company-wide. Its features include project management, goals and reporting, workflow and automation, resources management, admin and security, and Asana intelligence. Asana also offers app integrations with popular tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Microsoft Teams to enhance its collaboration and workflow efficiency. In terms of pricing, Asana offers free personal plan for individuals. For growing teams that need to track their project's progress, starter plan is priced at $11. Advanced plan for $25 is for companies that needs to manage a portfolio of work and goals. For advanced controls and tracking functionalities, an enterprise plan with custom pricing is also provided. In summary, both ClickUp and Asana offer powerful features for project management. ClickUp shines in its feature richness and customization abilities, making it suitable for larger teams or projects with complex workflows. On the other hand, Asana's focus on intuitive task management and collaboration may appeal to organizations seeking a user-friendly solution for project management. That's all for today. Simply click the link in the description below to choose between these two platforms. Thank you for watching.